Hello guys and welcome back to GhostTech. Today we will learn how to access your Google Drive from your web browser. First, open your browser and go to Google. Then click on these dots on the right side. And then click Drive. This is your Google Drive. You have 15 gigabytes free space from Google, but you can buy more space if you want. On the next lessons we will learn more about Google Drive. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.